can you hear me? I've just started that tractor on the big stirrer on the slurry store. It's stirring up a big propeller inside the store there. So I'm going to start this tractor as well, and that will start the jetter. I'll have to keep it running because I don't know how to pause this, but I've got 6 minutes, so I'll climb in here. I'll start this one too. Oh, there's my wee frog. My frog keyring. Okay, so that one's, this tractor's now firing up the slurry up that pipe there. I had a wee spillage earlier, as you can see. And I'll climb over here, up the ladder. Now if I drop the camera in there, then that is it, gone for good. No amount of rice-filled bowls will save it if it drops in that slurry. This is a 100,000 gallon tank, but it's only about 40,000 gallons in it now. There's the propeller working over.